Hey everyone, Ray here. So I've been thinking a lot recently about buying my very own portable external monitor, and finally I did. In a week, I work at different places, like I work at this office or that office, this other place and this other place at home or wherever. In a day, I work in like 2 to 3 places, and I always bring my tech bag with me with my laptop and everything. I might create a video about that later on. So anyway, having a portable external monitor would help me work more efficiently since I multitask a lot. So it's nice that I get to bring an extra monitor wherever I go.
Tofu, don't be weird.
This monitor I got online, it's the UPerfect 15.6-inch portable USB monitor 1080p IPS screen FHD monitor. I'll place the link of the shop I bought it from on the description below, so feel free to check that out. I received the package well packed. I wasn't able to take a video of the package itself, but it was securely bubble wrapped. No dents on the box whatsoever. So this is how it looks like. Here's the main box of the product. Sealed on the top and bottom. Inside, you'll see the monitor itself, a user manual, and 2 boxes. The first one containing a USB adapter, and the second one with 3 types of cables. One C-Type to USB cable for charging, one C-Type to C-Type cable, and one HDMI cable. This is me double-checking if I missed anything. For the monitor itself, it was wrapped in sealed plastic, and it comes with a foldable magnetic cover that may also be used as a stand. I love that it has a built-in leather case that also acts as a stand, because then I won't have to buy another separate bag for it, or it won't be scratched whenever I place it in my travel bag. On the left side, you can see 5 buttons: the exit button, down button, up button, menu or OK button, power button, the power indicator, OTG port, and speakers. On the right side, speakers, 2 Type-C ports, HDMI port, and HP port. This monitor works for both Windows and iOS. You may even connect it to your phones or tablets as long as it supports USB 3.1 or Thunderbolt 3. Here are the product specs as of the manual. So let's test it out. I will connect it on my MacBook Pro 14-inch 2021. I could either use the HDMI cable with my adapter or the C-Type to C-Type cable. I usually use the C-Type to C-Type cable because with that, I won't need to use my HDMI adapter and it works pretty well. Okay, so let's check the menu and settings of this monitor. Over here on the left side, click the second button to open the menu. As you can see here, the first one is picture, where you can adjust the brightness and the contrast settings. Next one is color. You can adjust the color temp, red, green, and blue. And then size and power. Again, you can adjust the settings accordingly. Setup, where you can adjust the language, signal source, position, timer, audio volume, and reset. And then the last one is information. Now, just to show you a comparison of the brightness when maxed out of my MacBook Pro and the external monitor. Okay, so you can see it's not bad. The quality for me of this external monitor is good. The colors aren't bad. It isn't slow. I love that this monitor is lightweight and that I could take it with me anywhere I go. It also has very few parts that come with it, so less things to think about. So far, it works for me. I've been using this for a few weeks now. If you guys want to check it out, again, it's on the description down below. You could also check the updated price down there. I got mine for like 4,000 plus pesos, including shipping fee, because I bought mine during the 9/9 sale, and I used some of my Shopee vouchers as well. Aside from that, I purchased it through SHOPBACK. So I used the SHOPBACK app in order to access the Shopee app. That's why I was able to earn cashback as well from this purchase. To know more how to purchase using SHOPBACK and earn cashback, check out this video or this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you. Bye.